Alright, so this is the method of swaddling a 1-month-old crying baby. Come on, baby. So, as you can see, he was already kind of in it. Let's lift this up some. It's alright, Poopa. See? Alright, relax. So he wants me to feed him. It's kind of like a triangle method. Have it open. Let's do this real fast. One hand. Oh, sorry. Take your right arm down. Pull it over. Tuck it underneath him. Left arm down. He's looking for his food, right, baby? It's alright. Rock him. Take his left arm down. Pull this part up. Cover his right. Tuck it under him. Take this. And just kind of roll it behind him. It's a big baby. Look at him. A baby burrito. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. And now he wants to feed. So why not feed him? Come on, big dog. Come on, big baby. Come on. Hold it. Squeeze it. Apply it. My boob is not really out. Hold on, Stinks. Sorry. Here you go. Come on. Hold it. Not really squeeze it, but make it firm and then apply it to his little mouth. You see how he'll sit here, his arms ain't moving, he's not complaining. He's fine. And you can hold it, but you don't have to. I don't really like, you know, all of it just out there. So I do have some things I won't do. But the top and down is fine with me. I'm not too exposed. So, yeah. But yeah, so I'll let him eat. Feed. He's getting to it. He had a little nap. Uh-oh. See, I just let him sit up because he don't want to up. Now he's kind of letting go. Since he's a burrito, I got to sit him all still. I don't think he really liked that. Right. Alright, now he's going to go back to his milk. Let me step away. You want your milk back? Okay. Alright, now we're back. And he's eating. So my baby is eating very well. Oh, as you can see, I was making myself uncomfortable. So this head should be like right in the arm. Sorry, Stinks. And body being held down. Close, so it's like a skin to skin vibe. And then you just sit here. That's why breastfeeding is not for the weak. If you can't find time to sit still to feed your baby, it's not going to work out. Now I just sit him up. I don't pat his back, but I will rub it or lay him straight down. Look how he's looking. He's like, what in the world is going on? Oh, see, and then he likes to close his eyes. You napping now, fat guy? You napping? I usually would sit, like, not put my boob up and let him just lay on it, because that's what he likes. He's a baby. But he's not about to fully nap, so this is like, I call it one of his games. Right, man? But mommy is about to take you out of this swaddle so I can burp you. Is that okay? He's like, Alright, so we're turning him to his side. Hold on, let me put this down so you guys can see. Turn him to his side. And we're going for the burp. See if we get a burp out of him. Posture is everything too, because if not, you will hurt yourself. So make sure you're sitting up straight and you're not hurting your own back. Because boy. But I just pat and pat. Like I said, it takes some time. It takes them 5 minutes, sometimes 7, 10. Who knows? But as long as you get a burp, stay consistent with the patting. Right? Right, me? So, yeah, I'm just patting and patting and patting my lovely baby. My lovely baby. So, I'm actually about to take him out of the swaddle because his eyes are opening. Right, handsome? Right, you handsome little guy? I don't want to because he's so comfortable. But I am. I'm just going to unwrap him. As you can see, his little arm down. When I take this off, he's probably going to fuss for the milk. But look, now he's getting it. Uh-oh. Sounds like he has to burp anyway. Sit him up some. It's all right, big boy. There you go. Yay! You gave me a burp on camera. And see, there it goes. There goes the milk. So this is the real. This is what we get off camera. See? And it's completely normal. It's fine. He doesn't really like it, right, big boy? It's all right. It's okay. Let's see if he has some more. So he gets fussy with me. Right? You get fussy with mommy. Uh-oh. So now he might want Bobo. Depending on how hard he sucks his pacifier, that tells me if he wants more boob or not, more milk. Since I don't hear this pacifier being ripped to shreds, he doesn't want more milk. He just wants to relax. He wants mommy to cuddle him and love on him, which is fine with me. Right, big dog? Come on, let's get your blanket, though. Oh, he spit it out, though, too. That's a sign. Come on. Get you up here. This right here is one of his favorites. Sitting his big butt up like this. Hold on, but I don't think he's done. So he might fuss me out until I put him back on the boob. Let's see. It's okay. Are you done or not? Their heads are so small. They're so delicate. And I can't believe you're a month already, little man. All right. So, going to put this over the shoulder. Pick my baby up. You okay? Let's see. Do you want a pacifier? Playing a guessing game. No? Alright.